So this is a cover that I'm going to put on top, and it just keeps it nice and secure. When I ship it, but also it's I don't know, it's nice to have something like this for a skincare product. It just adds to the cleanliness of it, because you just pull this tab off and then you just, of course it's going to stick, but it's really nice. I like it. And then when I'm shipping it, it doesn't leak out of the container, although it shouldn't do that anyways. And this body butter has cocoa butter in it, so that makes it a little bit more solid. So I will make sure these are all in. So I cleaned everything up on this, so everything's clean, and I will just put this down. And it doesn't need to cool or anything like that. I'll just make sure it's really on there tight. So that's it. And then what I'll do tomorrow is I'll put my label on top, and then I have a label that goes around here. And then I'll shrink wrap it so it's ready to ship to my wholesale customer and to other customers. So if you want to order one of these, it's on my website. So this is a finished one right here. And so that's the hemp body butter, lavender, and that's the label. So there you go. Thank you for joining me today, and have an awesome day.